Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ananya and in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove the poison from fresh aloe vera leaves so that you can apply it on your skin and hair. Have you ever felt itchy or any skin irritation after you applied fresh aloe vera gel on your skin or hair and you had to rush to wash it off? Well, it's because you didn't get rid of the yellow liquid that aloe secretes, which is called aloin. Well, in simple words, it is the aloe latex which should not be ingested because it is a potential laxative. So if you don't want to run to the toilet, you should watch this video because I'm going to show you how to get rid of the poisons. The first thing you need to do is cut the base and the tip of the leaves. Make sure you wash the leaves under running tap water before you cut them. Then cut the edges of the leaves. Extracting the aloe gel from the leaves at your home is not that messy if you do it properly. Of course, you can use a store-bought one, but the benefits of fresh aloe vera gel are plenty. Now cut the leaves into small pieces like this. Now all you need to do is soak the pieces in fresh water for a minimum 45 minutes to 1 hour. Now this is going to remove the residual latex. Now you can see that the water turned yellow after soaking the leaves for 45 minutes. Now this gets the job done. For extra precaution, you can scoop the gel out and just rinse it in fresh water once and then you're good to go. I hope this helps, and if you found my video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. You can also leave your comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.